Yes, guys, JTS here. We're here again with another fantastic digital product video. And today we are looking at the fruit niche. Now, I'm telling you, the fruit niche is a mad one. And I'm going to go through exactly why it's actually pretty damn good. But guys, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad, crazy stuff, then please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share, because I keep saying, we're sharing all this knowledge because it's so powerful and we love that knowledge stuff. You get me? Anyways, check it out, man. We are on fruits. And I'm telling you, these little bundles and these little fruit packs and sets and madness clip arts are pretty damn good, you know. Look at this. Check it out, man. We are looking at these fruit clip art sets. And look, we got these beautiful clip art ones. We got these kawaii ones. We got these cute fruit ones with SVG, PNG styles. We got these, you know, these are actually really good. And I'll tell you one thing about them. I call these like the bedrocks, right? These are like your little evergreens. They will sell all year round because I tell you what, people love these. Look at this. I love this little collection. Check this nice little watercolor bundle collection out. And I tell you what lends itself pretty well. Look, 5 in a basket. Boom. You got these lovely watercolor ones, collections, you know, 46 PNGs, avocado, banana, berry, coconut, figs, you know. Look at these beautiful pineapples. I'll tell you one thing, people need these for many things. Imagine people use these images, clip arts. They're like these staple, you know, clip arts. So these are really good. I'm going to show you how good they are as well, like how good they are. And like I said, look at this fruit shit tea. Wow, I like that angle. But you know what? It's about finding those little angles as well where you can stand out. And that's what we're going to be looking at. Firstly, we're going to be looking at how profitable these can be, because I think that's the key. But listen, you know what? You got to have these kind of tiered listings. And what I mean by tiered listings, you got to have these kind of listings that can sell all year round, these evergreen tiered ones, right? And they can do really, really well. So my suggestion is this: for fruits, it's got to be like a bundle, because a bundle of these will work really well, of different types of fruits, right? Because obviously some people are looking for a specific type, but yeah, you know what? They would like it if they get a bundle, and they would love it if they can have different fruits. But as usual, I'm going to go to my EverBee gem finder, the diamond finder. Cool. EverBee, that fantastic research tool that makes me find all of those gems, guys. So here we go. Check it out. Free access. You can try out for free. Play around with it. Enjoy it. Check it out, my link is below. But let's go to the analysis, the cash finder. See how much these actually make in real life. So look, these can work. And I'll tell you what the angles are. I'll give you a quick angle. Look, this is a $203 so look, I want to show you this angle, right? Look, I'm going to show you a 1 month old listing that's making $147, which is this one. Look, let me click on it now. So 1 month old listing, right? That's crazy, isn't it? For fruits, it's got a conversion rate of 133%, man. No way. 133% is disgusting. It's crazy. That's dirty. 133%. That's dirty. Look at that. It's making crazy cash. $147 per month. Right, let's analyze this, because you know what we do over here. We like that science-based analysis, those nuggets. Look at this. Kawaii style clip art design. Okay? Kawaii style, 485 fruits and vegetables. See, look, that's the angle, fellas. Fruits and veg. Fruits and veg. Gotta mix it up a little bit. Do you know what I'm saying? That works, you know, fruits and veg. I like that idea. I like it a lot. 4000 by 4096 pixels, so that's a 4x on Midjourney, for example. 300 DPI, boom. Nice little bundle of clip arts. I like this. But look, it's a 1 month old listing, already making around $150 almost. But remember, it's on a sale right now, 46% off specifically. That's very specific. 46% off sale in the next for the next 21 minutes. So with a sale in mind, you got to take that into account when calculating. But that's not too bad. That's not too bad, man. $150 almost for a 1 month old listing is lovely. Imagine doing like five of those. Just five, right? That's wicked. Come on. This is what I'm saying. These listings, sometimes you gotta go into it. And the angle here is they got vegetables with it. Check the angle. They did vegetables and they did a kawaii style. So that's what I'm trying to say. Sometimes you gotta get the angle right. Here's another one. Look at this. This is pure pumpkin. These are just pumpkins, right? Look at this. I like the angle. $150. Boom. Lovely. What is it? Like it's just pumpkins with words. Peace, love, joy. I like that. So what you can do is add an angle to it. You can have one type. Look, this they got pumpkins with some words, affirmations possibly. And this in this case, for Thanksgiving, Christian Bible verse, That's I like the angle. So what I'm saying is, what you can do is mix it up with a little angle. That's like $140. Not even on a sale. 6.66 conversion is decent as well, right? And then you got these more specific ones. Check it out. Look, I'll show you something. I mean, definitely you can also go for specific fruits. So in this case, it's just oranges, right? Just oranges, right? But look how interesting this is. I really like this. It's $85, right, a month. But imagine you got like 100, 50 fruits, and each one is making $85 or $100, right? But look at this angle. Look how smart this is. I really love this a lot. Look, it's in 10 baskets, so it's popular, right? But they've got these orange clip arts, but they've got different things to do with the oranges. So, for example, look, you got orange tree, right? You got orange segment. That means cut orange. You got orange in a glass. You got orange, on a branch. You got marmalade orange, right? Jam orange. You got oranges in a basket, right? You got oranges with flowers, right? So what I'm trying to say is, this is a look. You've even got an orange muffin like cake. That's a mad one. So what I'm saying is, look. Imagine you got, different ideas for, like, you got oranges your theme, and you got oranges in different. Then you could do lemon. You could do a lemon tree, lemon in a glass, lemon in a cake, lemon cake. There you go. Everything lemon related. And this is what I'm saying. When you do an angle, you got to do an angle for something. And I think fruits lends itself fantastically well for something like this. Bananas, banana on a tree, banana milkshake, banana cake. Lovely. These are the sub niches that you get into. Right? And that's where you can do bundles of these with specific fruits. Oh my God, this is absolutely fabulous. What an idea. Right? So that's what I'm trying to say. When you sub niche within niches, this is where the magic happens. And this is where the creativity has to be born. Now, these are watercolor style, which is a very popular style of drawing. But imagine thinking outside the box and looking at oranges in stained glass style, breakthrough style. Go beyond that kind of thinking. And this is where you will stand out from the crowd. Because imagine you got on the listing, you're looking at the listings and you see your listing, and there you go. You got yours in stained glass style, for example, like a stained glass design style. But imagine you got $85 per listing and you're doing 100 listings. That's like $1,000. And I can imagine these being consistently selling. Now, there's more angles. You could do them like little characters. Look at these little dudes, man. Look at them little fellas. Little characters, only 32 PNGs with little guys with little eyes and legs. Yeah, that's another angle for fruits. But again, it will be looked for because people search for character fruits. I'm telling you, there's so many angles with this. And this can be applied for many things. Think about vegetables, think about what you could do with vegetables. And honestly, this is the skill with selling on Etsy. You've got to think outside the box and think about those amazing different sub niches, guys. Guys, I'm going to leave it there. That's I'm going to give you some ideas. But actually, no, I'm not going to leave it there. I'm not going to leave it there, right? I'm going to do some more for you. Check it out, man. I'm going to go to EverBee, Midjourney, my go-to AI. Check it out, man. I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do this. Check it out, man. Right? Watercolor fruit, right? Watercolor fruit. Watercolor design style, right? Design style. And then I could do that squiggly a shape in the keyboard and say oranges, bananas. How do you spell banana? Oh yeah, joking. bananas, strawberry. I love a strawberry. Pineapple. Oi, pineapple. There you go. I could do loads, right? But I ain't gonna. Should I do one more? Nah, leave it at that. Cherries. Right. I leave it at that. Right? And that's it. And on a white background. Right? I'm just gonna leave it there. Right? Boom. White background. What I would do, I'll do a bundle personally. Yeah, I'll do a bundle. To be honest, I need to think about it more because I might do. Look, it says you got 5 prompts. Do you want to go ahead? I put witter background, not even white. Oh god, what's it gonna do for me? Hopefully, you'll figure it out. I'm sure he'll figure it out. Yeah, Midjourney is clever like that. On a white background, please. I put witter background, but I'm sure he'll figure it out. Yeah, so I'm gonna get hopefully different fruits in a similar white background. Similar fruits style, watercolor style, on a white background. Right, there you go. Now I like these ones where you got some strawberries actually rather than a singular strawberry. I prefer having a bunch of strawberries, definitely. So there you go. I love that little strawberry right there. Yeah, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Look at the cherries, mate. Look at the cherry. Look at that oranges. That pineapple. And then the cherries. Woo, they look fabulous. So I can imagine doing a bundle of these, right? Really nice, beautiful. Not sure about the pineapple background though. I'll probably get rid of that on Canva or something. Right? There you go. That's all you need to do. Then look, it bundles it up for you. Does it? I love these oranges though. Oranges are beautiful. Really nice. Yep. And that's all you do. Get it up on Canva or Kittle. Make sure that you 4x that. Remember, make sure you 4x these. That means upscale it by 4, right? You must upscale by 4, guys, right? And that way you get that cool resolution, right? And as by looking at these, they also require 300 DPI as well. So make sure you get that 300 DPI on there as well, because I see a lot of these prefer a bundle of DPI. But what's nice about these is some of these are making money on not so big clip art bundles. Look at that, 35. Yeah, that's a 35 bundle. That's a 10 of fruits. The one that was making $85 was how many actually? Because that was interesting. Let me just find that oranges one real quick, guys. Where's that oranges one? Probably got it already. Open, May. Where are you? Yeah, the oranges one. How many images did it have actually? I'll be very interested. Let's have a look. Let's have a gander. 30. Wow. So this has got 30 images, all orange related. Really cool, really nice. And it's making about $85 a month. That is so cool. It's on a sale right now, so you got to take that into account. But imagine you got that sort of, loads of different fruits. So guys, I think I'll leave it there. I hope it helped. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, as usual, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to share, because we love sharing. And I shall see you on the next video. Take care.